Hi, Claudia here. Today I'm going to introduce you two beautiful collection. They are the one that we're going to use for December. This is just digital pages. You can create whatever you like it. This is from Creative Paper Artisan, and this kit will be, both of them will be 35% until January 31st. And this is the Nutcracker Dream. And let me show you the pages. So those are 6 pages. They come vertical and horizontal. So here's the other one. Oops, no, I don't want to miss any. They are gorgeous. You can make a junk journal or you can make something different. So because it's just digital paper, it doesn't have pocket, ephemera or stuff like that, but it will be a very nice journal. You just need to use your imagination. And this is again the Nutcracker Dream. This is one. I'm gonna put it aside, and you're gonna be stunning with the next one. If you think that that one was cute, this one is even more beautiful. But this one is a journal kit. So this one has pocket, tags, ephemeras, labels, and the name of this kit is Snow White. And I was so excited that I start to cut the pages and I forgot to show it to you. So look at this. Isn't this beautiful? Even her is beautiful. Look at that. And you have the pages to write. The little house. Look at this. This is fantastic. Look at this. Isn't she gorgeous? Okay, so we have some background paper. Oops, I put this one upside down. This one too. Okay. Oops, I think I print more than one. And here we have the envelopes and some tag. We have the pockets, belly bands. We have some phrase from the movie, from the book. More phrases that we just cut it out, fussy cut. More tags. So this is the difference between a digital paper, just to use as you please, and a kit. You will have the fussy cut to finish and decorate your journal. So here, this one is Snow White, and it's going to be 35% off until January 31st. And this one is the Nutcracker Dream, and it's gonna have on sale 35% until January 31st. You will have the information of all the crafters. They're gonna be working with this 2 kit. Okay, so I hope you like it, and if you like it, stay tuned, because the video for both of them is coming up. Have a great day. Bye bye.